Sometimes the love you hold in your heart will take your breath away. But if you can't see what the love does to me, you will never believe that I love you so much that I can't breathe. I can't breathe without you. You are everything to me. You are what my life will bring. Think about the things we've done, and my life will forever go on. Think about it, baby, because there's only one time that you'll ever love somebody like I love you. I love you to the end of time, no matter what, because you're woman number one, and there'll always be number one. I love you, baby. I love you so much. Things are going through my mind, but I can't think about it all right now. So, baby, take my hand. Show me which way to go. I love you, baby, more than you could ever know. Love me till the end. I'll love you till the end. We'll love each other always, like you said. I know it's been a while now since I felt the love from you, but I will love you always, forever and ever. Take my hand, love me for the first time. Thank you, guys.